Alright guys, I feel a little better today. 100% thanking the bone broth because I can feel myself getting the cold Ryan has. So I know it's not gonna be great, but bone broth is staying. We're gonna keep on rolling. Today's actually fixing up this things that's happened. Ryan did a great job, however, we just did not follow directions properly. We put developer on the roots that we wanted to stay dark, so they lightened. It's a whole thing. However, I have a friend named Emily who did this tattoo. Y'all have met her now. She also went to cosmetology school because this woman is a queen of all trades, not a jack of all trades, queen of all trades. And she's going to do my hair today. Hopefully, I will be leaving with a very pastel pink, so let's see how this goes. I'm excited, very excited. Sorry, it's a lame outro, but. I think I'm gonna call this look morning after, but make it cute. We made it, hair supply store time. Gonna do a thing with this. Yeah. Sue's back again. Me. Suck it, but not too much, all the good. I like that this isn't even the color we're going for. The color we're going for is up and back there.
That's fine. That one's more fun.
It's not blue. It's this guy. Light pink. And of course, you can't have girls' night without sushi. Veggie sushi platters, it is. I look like Benjamin Franklin right now. It's not, it really, you look bald on the camera. Like on camera. Hold on, I have to come see, because like, in person I was just told I look like Harley Quinn. On camera, tell me that this like Ben Franklin. Oh boy. This is the best thing. Okay, yep, you there's hair. Yeah, there's hair. Oh, now we've got like a Einstein-y. We'll come back. You guys don't get weird about me filming. Like, you're just so supportive and it's. We've got an interlude face mask going. They are fuzzy. I am pale. They love each other and I'm so happy about it. And always introduce your friends to your other friends because then everybody's just friends and it's the best. Mask 2, round 2. Alright, I started trying to take this off because, you know, it was done. We're here, but oh, it's just one of the really painful ones. It gets in the baby hair. Oh, it is definitely waxing every little hair off of my face. Oh, ow. Okay. Oh, I'm crying. I'm crying. Oh my God, you can see all the poor little hairs. Oh, you can literally, it ripped out every single one of my like little hairs. Oh no. I hope your eyebrows are okay.
I barely have eyebrows. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't have hair to spare.
This part did not come off. It needs more time. Oh, good heavens. Oh, that was an experience. I have this one. This is the only one we have. Okay, we don't have extra hand towels. We aren't that fancy. It came out a really cool color though. It did. Like a very strawberry blonde.
Yeah.
And do it.
Here, let me see if I can put this ODS on.
I was thinking it would only be a centimeter, but really it was an actual inch.
Yes.
Okay, Deborah?
I miss my push chairs. You know the ones where you
They
like
go up and
the
down.
foot pedal ones?
Yeah.
Those are so nice.
I mean, you can just tell me to sit and stand.
No, this is fine.
I'd do it.
I know you would.
I'll get up, I'll stand. If it makes your life easier.
I believe it.
Like stuff to do.
Okay, I've kept down my little back thing because I haven't seen it yet. This is just the, this is the starter. See, I flipped you back up. You yourselves, this is how I do this. But I had you like this, your back up like this. Just look, oh my heaven, it's so light. Everywhere I've gone is always like, we can't get you that light. We can't, shoot it in one go. You guys suck. Not you guys, but like all the hairdressers I've been to before. So we got this going, we've got to put on the color. Almost complete. What did they just put the dye completely? Did they bleach your whole head all at once?
I don't know.
Because like, I think like, usually they would just put all my bleach on. And then they would walk away and then they wash it and then they'd come back.
Are you kidding me?
No, that's all I've ever experienced. I've never had this like, how you put it on like 5 stages.
Yeah.
I've never had it on in the stages. I was about to say, wow, that's so satisfying, and then just farts. Oh yeah.
Oh man.
Oh yeah. Yep.
This is very. It's erotic.
On the upside though, Murphy. I don't know that Murphy and I have ever looked so related.
Hi, yes. Look at us. We are the blondies. We're blondies together. We're blondies. We are Xena voice.
The saga continues because my head is too absorbent. She usually only needs a tube and a half for most, you know, normal people. My head has an undercut where I'd say a quarter to a third of it is shaved, roughly. I've used 3 tubes and we will not be able to finish my head. I have this very sexy vibe going on. The back of my head is pink. I will have a beautiful pink root ombre in the front, but we gonna have to fix this up a little bit tomorrow. This is me. All right. I'm not looking yet. I look very Harley Quinn-esque with the like pink at the roots. We are still going through, but like, you can't tell we ran out. It just looks intentional. Cause we got skulls. Skulls.
It's really cute.
Yeah, no, the back looks like the exact color we're like going for, so
Yeah.
it's also good to know that it's actually gonna, you know,
Right.
do the thing. Doing the thing is important.